We will guide you through how to make shared folder in VirtualBox. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start the virtual machine and wait for the guest operating system to finish loading. Make sure VirtualBox Guest Editions is installed inside the guest, because it provides the features needed to connect shared folders properly. On the host computer, create a folder to hold the files you want to exchange, such as a folder named VM Share directly on the C drive. With the virtual machine running, open the Devices menu in VirtualBox, choose Shared Folders, and then select Shared Folders settings. Click Add Shared Folder, usually shown as a folder icon with a plus sign, to create a new sharing entry. Under Folder Path, click Other so you can browse the host computer for the folder you created. Navigate to the C drive and select the VM Share folder, confirming that the correct location appears in the path field. Set the folder name to something clear, such as VM Share, because this is the name you will see inside the guest operating system. Enable Auto Mount, so VirtualBox connects the folder automatically whenever the virtual machine starts. Also enable Make Permanent, so the shared folder configuration remains available after the current session ends. Make sure Read Only is left unchecked, which allows you to open files from the folder and write files back to it. Click OK to save the shared folder entry. Then click OK again if needed to close the settings window. Inside the guest operating system, open File Explorer and wait for the navigation window to appear. Go to this PC to view the drives and connected locations available to the virtual machine. Under Network Locations, find and open the shared folder using the name you assigned earlier. Copy files into this folder or drag and drop them there, depending on which method feels more convenient. Finally, return to the host computer, open the VM Share folder on the C drive, and verify that the copied files appear there.